guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, I'm Tara, a nurse practitioner that loves sharing easy to make recipes and tips and tricks so you can make restaurant quality food at home. As you can see, it is a winter wonderland around me. And what goes better with snow than a delicious warm bowl of corn chowder? Today, we're gonna use our Instant Pot and we're gonna make this corn chowder recipe. Guys, it is so easy, packed with flavor and nutrition. You guys are gonna absolutely love it. Be sure you stay all the way through the end of the video. I know you guys love those recipe cards, so there's a recipe card at the end you could take a screenshot of for easy reference. If you're excited for Instant Pot recipes, especially this corn chowder, give this video a big thumbs up, grab your Instant Pot, and let's make this really easy recipe.
Here are the ingredients you will need for today's recipe. A complete list will be in the description box below as well as on that recipe card at the end. So we're going to start by peeling and then chopping up a red onion. I'm using this little mini chopper. Of course, you could use a blender. That would have been a lot easier actually. And we're going to add that to a bowl. We're going to do this for the whole onion. Again, using a bigger blender would have been easier. Then we're going to grab our celery. I'm using 2 ribs and add this to the little blender cup. Alternatively, you could just hand chop all of these, but we prefer it to be a little bit more of a smooth texture. And we're going to crush our garlic cloves and mince those up. Then we're going to grab a carrot and peel it. I do want these to be just chopped up into nice bite-sized pieces. Set those in a bowl. Set it aside, then we're gonna grab our potatoes. I'm using russet potatoes here. You can use any kind of potatoes that you like, and I'm gonna peel them, and then we're gonna slice them very thinly. You could also use a mandolin. It would have been a lot easier to do that. Put it in some cold water and set it aside. Now I'm grabbing this acorn squash. If you don't like squash, trust me guys, this is just gonna add a real richness and creaminess to this dish. And then we're gonna just chop this up into little pieces, bite-sized pieces. Grab our Instant Pot, set it to saute on high. I'm drinking this delicious dry red. We're gonna add in our olive oil once it's hot, and this hack to pick up the liner and just move it around really gets it coated evenly on the bottom. Then we're gonna add in our pureed mixture. Let this cook for a few minutes until the onions start to soften. Then we're gonna add in that squash. Let this cook for about 2 to 3 minutes or so till it gets a little bit softer. We're gonna add in our dried spices, super simple. Stir everything together, and then we're gonna add in our stock. I'm using some veggie stock here. You could use any kind that you like. You can use garlic broth, you can use chicken broth, whatever you like. Add in our frozen corn, our carrots. I'm also using fire roasted corn. I love the 2 types of corn. And here are the potatoes. I wanted to show you guys just how thinly I sliced them. And add all of those potatoes on in. Of course, I drain them. Add in some bay leaves. I'm using 2. And some water. And I'm not stirring at this point. I'm just kind of getting those bay leaves underneath. Put on the lid, make sure the silicone ring is on, set it to high pressure for 12 minutes. We're gonna perform a quick release, and when the pin drops, open up the lid. Now, of course, you need to fish out those bay leaves. That's very important. So after you remove them, we're gonna add in our coconut milk. I love using coconut milk here because it keeps it dairy-free and it really adds such a richness to the dish without making it taste like coconut. And then I'm grabbing my immersion blender. I do recommend, however, reserving quite a lot of those chunks because they're so good. If you want it completely pureed, do that, or you don't have to use an immersion blender at all. This reheats beautifully for work or for dinner. I can't wait to hear what you guys think about this recipe.
If you enjoyed today's Instant Pot recipe, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. That way I'll know to make more recipes like it. Looking for more Instant Pot inspiration? Click the playlist on the screen and I will see you over there. Bye guys.